The Skoda Kamiq has been given a facelift for 2023. This alternative to small SUVs such as the Vauxhall Mokka and Toyota CHR gets tweaked styling and some updated engines. The new Kamiq should go on sale in early 2024 with a small price increase over the current car. The 2024 Skoda Kamiq has received some subtle but noticeable changes to its exterior and interior design. The front end now features a larger and more upright grille with double slats forming a lower U-shape. The headlights have also been redesigned and are now available with matrix LED technology as an option. This allows them to adjust their beam automatically to avoid dazzling other drivers. The lower bumper has a new shape with striking air curtains that improve aerodynamics and cooling. The rear end of the 2024 Skoda Kamiq has also been updated with new apron that has body-colored surfaces and a black central diffuser. The tailgate now sports the new Skoda lettering in the slimmer and more regular font. The Kamiq also offers more color options with 9 metallic shades. Inside, the 2024 Skoda Kamiq has a more digital and modern look. With an 8-inch digital instrument cluster and a 8.25-inch infotainment screen as standard, both of these can be upgraded to a 10.25-inch virtual cockpit and a 9.2-inch touchscreen respectively. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and online services such as traffic information, weather updates, and parking availability. The interior also features more recycled and natural materials such as seat covers made from recycled PET bottles or wool. The entry-level car gets a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder unit with 95 horsepower and 5-speed manual gearbox. You can also have a 1.0-liter petrol engine with 115 horsepower and either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Sitting at the top of the range is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 150 horsepower. This is also available with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic gearbox.